In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import data here in Google Sheets. Now, when I say import, this is a tool that we use here in the file, and we can select right here. We're not talking about importing using some formulas or some functions. We are talking about this import function here in the file in the menu bar. Now, if I click on this, it will be asking you to import a file from your drive, or some files that are shared with you, some recent files that you've opened, or some files that you've uploaded. Now, the only file that I can actually import right now is a recent one, which I have opened. And this is actually in the Excel format. But if I do click on it and select Insert at the bottom right, it will be asking me these options. So we have the file name, which is in Excel format, and the import location. We have the choices of creating it in new spreadsheet, insert it as new sheet or new sheets, replace the whole spreadsheet, and some grayed out options. So what I'm going to do here is insert as new sheets. If I click on that, it will ask us as well if we want to import the theme. You can select that or not. Again, that's totally up to you. But if you do select that, it will replace the current theme that you have for your spreadsheet. I'm not going to select it for this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and select Import Data. Once I click on that, it will take some time depending on how big your file is. Anyway, we are going to wait for this one until it's completely imported, all that is from that file. And right away, you'll notice that I already have some additional sheets or tabs at the bottom. Once I click on that, here are the different data that are located in each of these tabs. And there you have it. So again, depending on the three options that you select, it can either be created in a new spreadsheet, added as sheets in your existing spreadsheet, or to completely replace your existing spreadsheet. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to import your data here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.